Imagine a world where you never need a bank to borrow or lend money. No paperwork, no waiting for approval, just you, your crypto, and a protocol running 24/7 anywhere on the planet. That's the world Aave is building, and today, I'm breaking down why Aave is DeFi's real game changer. First up, what exactly is Aave? Pronounced Aave, this protocol launched on Ethereum and now branches out to chains like Polygon and Avalanche. Its name means ghost in Finnish, aiming to be an invisible, trustless money market. With Aave, I can lend my crypto, earn real interest, or borrow against my assets, all without a single centralized authority. So, how does it work? If I want to earn, I deposit my crypto into Aave's liquidity pools. In return, I get tokens. These are my claim tickets, automatically earning me interest. If I want to borrow, it's just as simple. I deposit collateral, and I can instantly borrow less than what I put in. The protocol makes sure I can't run away with the money. Everything's managed by code, not some bank manager. But Aave isn't just another lending app, it's loaded with features. I can pick between variable and stable interest rates depending on how the market's moving. There's flash loans. These are wild. I can borrow any amount, use it, and pay it back, all in one transaction, no collateral needed. It's perfect for advanced DeFi strategies. I can even swap my collateral if the market's moving against me without closing my position. And with multi-chain support, Aave's everywhere I want to be. Now let's talk the AAV token. It's not just for show. Holding AAV lets me vote on upgrades and changes to the protocol, real governance. If I stake AAV, I help protect the system by joining the safety module, earning rewards but also taking on some risk if there's ever a protocol issue. Sometimes AAVE holders even get protocol incentives for supporting liquidity. Why use Aave? If I'm a lender, I earn passive income on my crypto, sometimes way better than a regular bank. If I'm a borrower, I can access liquidity without having to sell my assets. For DeFi pros, all kinds of yield farming, arbitrage, and on-chain strategies are possible thanks to Aave's open infrastructure. Developers can even build new tools right on top of Aave's smart contracts. Aave's impact is huge. It offers access to global finance for anyone with internet. I've seen it integrated into wallets, aggregators, and dashboards across the DeFi space. For institutions, there's Aave Arc, a version designed for regulatory compliance. Of course, DeFi isn't risk-free. Smart contracts can have bugs, so I always use caution and never risk more than I can afford to lose. As a borrower, if my collateral value drops, I face liquidation. And interest rates? They can swing fast. But after years of stress testing, Aave remains one of the most reliable protocols out there. What's next for Aave? V3 brings new features like portals, isolation mode, and more risk management tools. The GHO stablecoin is coming soon, aiming to compete with giants like DAI. And with more Layer 2 integrations, fees stay low and speed gets even better. Bottom line, Aave is more than just a lending protocol. It's changing how I think about finance, ownership, and opportunity. If you're into DeFi, you need Aave on your radar. If you learned something new, hit that like, drop a comment about your DeFi journey, and subscribe for more breakdowns on the coolest projects in crypto. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.